What steps are you taking to better yourself?
Thank you for that wonderful question. To better myself is first discipline myself, and second, a self-awareness. And the third is know my emotional intelligence, balance my strength and my weakness. And the last, I trust myself. And I thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 1. Next candidate is candidate number 3.
Infants can never be bought.
Hi, candidate number 3.
Hello, good evening.
Okay, so unsay feeling nga nakasulod ka sa top 5?
Nervous but it's fine.
Okay, so unsay mong maingon sa imong mga supporters?
Thank you everyone. Bisan ulan, nagpadayon ihapon, nag-support.
Ayan, so ready na ka sa imong question? Ready na. Please pick your question.
Ulan samo kay ulan.
Okay, your question is, what is something significant you hope to achieve in your teenage years? Again, what is something significant you hope to achieve in your teenage years?
To achieve in my teenagers years, I want to finish my study, to help my parents and to value him. I want to help and I want to pay him to his efforts and sacrifice. And being as a teenager is so very challenges, and I thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 3. Next candidate is candidate number 8.
To be called, infants can never be bought.
Hi, candidate number 8. No, you look so pretty tonight. Work si Kuan Rica Paralejo, ng artista. Okay, so si mong mayroon si mga fans, may mga supporters.
Adoraday.
Thank you guys sa akong mga friends and also my family.
Family saan? Isa may nag-move na sa imong gown karon lang ka.
Ako din igagaw kasi April Rose agay.
Okay. Nice imong gown lang. Pahol man ko ana. Kay mapil ko og magkuan sa gana. Okay, are you ready for your question? Maybe. Alright, please pick your question.
Gapa si Daday.
Good luck. Okay, ang question basahon nako kaduha, then i-translate nako into Bisaya. Ihok yung papel ha. Your question is, how can your beauty or personality help to create a positive effect on those around you? Again, how can your beauty or personality help to create a positive effect on those around you? Ako i-translate lang ka ha. Charot lang. Giunsa nimo paggamit ang imong katahom or personalidad aron mahatag or maghatag o positibong epekto sa uban. Again, giunsa kuno nimo paggamit ang imong katahom o personalidad aron mahatag or maghatag o positibong epekto sa uban. Go.
I use my personality. As
Bisayaan man lang.
gigamit ako ang akong personalidad sa akong self and also sa atuang community as
Teens. Nasa teens. Kabataan.
Parapod, kuan na tong ato ang mapaulan na ko ang ato ang personalidad as
Bisayaan na yan. Bisayaan na yan.
to improve to empower you. Lighting.
Okay, thank you so much. Candidate number 8. Alright, so yung yun ako ang katauhan no nga walay magsinggita or makadistract magod sa itong mga candidates. While nag-answer sila, hindi ka mo shout ha? Anak lang. Okay. Tara si candidate number 7. Okay, so hi candidate number 7.
Pagitawag niya, pagawas na.
Kamusta?
Cool ba? Okay lang.
Okay, so kinsa man imong inspiration karong gabi una sa imo
Ala.
look karon? Wala. Okay, so imo lang self imong inspiration. Alright, so are you ready? Okay, so please pick your question. Good luck.
Courage!
Yun, lagi ba? Lagi mo siya. Wala minaw.
Courage!
Okay,